Nearly 60% of Mississippians remain unvaccinated against COVID-19. Now, we've heard several reasons for why people are hesitant to take the shot, most stemming from the fear of the unknown.
Some of the top reasons why people aren't taking the vaccine include the belief that there has not been enough research, a fear of side effects, and a distrust of doctors as well as the government, and also the belief that if you're healthy enough, COVID-19 won't be that bad. Tonight, in the first of a series of reports, our John Fitzhugh looks at the immunocompromised as we work to dispel COVID-19 vaccine myths.
People with weakened immune systems are the most at risk of becoming severely ill from COVID-19.
If an immunocompromised patient ends up with COVID, we know that person has a very highly likely chance that they're going to have a severe case.
But they are often among those afraid of getting vaccinated.
I have not been vaccinated, but I'm not an anti-vaxxer.
Angie Lee has psoriasis, and she worries that the COVID-19 vaccine could cause her condition to worsen.
So for me personally, I do have an immune system disorder, so I have chosen to wait just to be a little bit more confident in that decision going forward is the main thing.
Every person should talk to their doctor about their unique medical conditions. However, research has shown that the vaccines are not only safe, but recommended for people like Lee. That's the message Singing River Clinical Pharmacist Coordinator Chris Ayers hopes everyone understands.
Even in our own system, we've given tens of thousands, almost 50,000 of these doses. Hundreds of millions of doses have been given worldwide. One of the things we do know is that they've proven to be very safe, even in patients that have immunocompromised positions.
I have a compromised immune system, so I know there's a 50-50 chance. With the COVID shot, I don't know if it's a live strand or a dead strand. So the 50-50 chance that it could kill me either way. That's my fear.
There have been no documented cases that any of the COVID-19 vaccines have caused a death.
In Mississippi, we know there's been over 7,000 deaths and so far from COVID, and so far none reported from the vaccines.
None of the 3 vaccines approved for use in the United States by the FDA contain a live virus. The Pfizer and Moderna vaccines use mRNA technology, and the Johnson & Johnson uses an inactivated cold virus to stimulate your immune system.
So even if you have an immunocompromised condition, it's much better to go ahead and get vaccinated rather than run the risk of actually getting COVID.
John Fitzhugh, WLOX News Now.
Ayers said the only conditions that would block people from getting vaccinated is a history of severe allergic reactions to vaccines or if you're currently undergoing chemotherapy for cancer.
WLOX will have an hour-long special called Fear Facts Future, which will address COVID concerns from the South Mississippi community. Dave Elliott will be joined by key players in the battle against the pandemic at 7 o'clock August 19th on WLOX ABC. You can share your questions you would like answered regarding the coronavirus on the WLOX Facebook page.
And I'll have a look at your full forecast coming up right after the break, plus a look at the tropics. But first, a look at your marine